Attorney Harold Respicio, Vice Mayor from Isabela, for his behavior sa social media. So, ang tinitingnan nating kaso rito is inciting to seditions, rebellion, and unlawful use of means of publications, unlawful utterances. So ang nag-issue ng complaint affidavit, ang nag-execute is no other than Aboy Paraiso, and of course with the support ng ating USEC Precious Hipolito. So yun lang. Nag-file sila sa amin, we will do the investigation and case build that, and eventually we'll file it to the Department of Justice for proper disposition. Ito yung sa isang event na sinabi niya, Attorney Respicio, sabi niya, baka mautak itong mga ito, baka ituloy pa talaga nilang hindi patakbuhin si VP Sara, posible, di ba? Sumagot yung audience, malamang, Attorney Respicio, pero posible bang patayin? Posible, oo. Tapos sabi ni Attorney Respicio, ito ang tanong na seryoso. Kapag hindi na gumagana ang foundational principle ng ating Constitution na demokrasya, ano ang sagot? Revolusyon. Tapos sabi ni Attorney Respicio, revolusyon. Attorney Respicio, baliwalain natin ang Konstitusyon, di ba? Attorney Respicio, so willing ba kayong magrevolusyon? Sumagot yung audience, wow, willing ba kayong mamatay? Yun yung sagutan noon na pag tinignan mo yung elements ng mga crimes na binanggit namin, ando dun lahat pasok lahat. At isa siyang abogado. So, hindi rin maalis dito na maaari siyang kasuhan ng disbarment sa Integrated Bar of the Philippines. So, dun lang muna, ang gagawin nga natin, papasabwi na si Attorney Respicio to hear his side. After that, we will make a recommendation and eventually, kung ano yung findings, we'll file a complaint to the Department of Justice. In fact, I have to commend Yusek Aboy na directly he can file it to the Department of Justice for prosecution, but he seek the assistance of the Bureau for the case build-up at mabigyan din ng chance si Attorney Respicio na makapagsalita. And I have to reiterate, this is not, sabihin na naman, we are curtailing freedom of expression. Bandaan po natin, lahat po ng ating karapatan may katumbas po na responsibilidad. At pag yung karapatan ay lumalabag na sa batas, ito ay hindi na karapatan. Ito ay pang-abuso na ang paglabag sa batas.
NBI Director, kakasuhan ako today for the series of strong statements that I made. Yeah, buddy! Director Matibag, here's another strong statement for you. You're a fucking large piece of shit.